So, I will start to explain for you about the process of work, how we work here in the tannery. So the first work here, after the people who work inside the tannery, they bring the skins from the slaughterhouse. So they put the skins inside the white vat. So in the white vat there is water and limestone and pigeon droppings. Because normally this tannery was built in 11th century and they still using the same process from 11th century at now. So and in the white vat, so I said it is water, limestone and pigeon droppings. So the limestone it helps to get off the hair or the wool, and the pigeon droppings has acid, so we use it for softer the skins. And we put the skins inside the white place for 3 days. After that, we wash the skins by water and then we bring them directly in the colors, all the brown vats what we have down. But all the colors that we use, they are vegetable color. Like red is made from poppy flower, blue indigo, orange henna, and yellow saffron. So because the saffron they cost more than the other colors, that's why we don't make it in the vats. So just we take a little saffron, we mix it with oil, and we make it in the skins by hand. And all normally the colors that we use here in the tannery, they are, like what I said, they are vegetable color, and they are mixed with water and the alum stone. So the alum stone who help to fix the color on the skin. So when we finish the work in the vat, we bring the skins on the roofs to dry, and after drying, so we bring the skins inside the rooms that we have down there. In these rooms, there is the artisans inside who make all the stuff what we make here in this, what we have here in this place.
So this is bags, and what else do you have?
Slippers, jacket, belt, cushions, everything.
This is the largest of the 3 tanneries in Fez. Customers are handed a sprig of mint to hold up to their nose as they enter the tannery. The stench, unfortunately, is almost overwhelming. I cannot imagine how these men work in this facility all day long. I was there for about 2 hours as I did my interviews and took my photos, and by the time I left, my clothes reeked. The smell had permeated the material. After a brief orientation on the terrace overlooking the pits, customers are led into the showroom where the pressure to buy begins. Several in my party bought goods, and the prices they paid ranged anywhere from half to 1/3 of what the original asking price was. But whether or not you buy, seeing the tannery terraces in Fez is a must.